Just a quick installation procedure for the new Cumberland stop plate on the pig pen. You'll notice 4 shock absorbers. Each one is rated to 1,600 pounds. 2 clips on either side. And then the stop plate is fitted for 6-inch pipe on the outside of these tabs, 4-inch on just the inside, and then 3-inch and below go right into the out of the tongue there. So installation purposes, if you do have a pig pen without the enhancement, they will come with all new units going forward, but just in case you need to install it or if one were to break in the future. So what I like to do is I grab all 4 of the cables, I press the tongue down and I kind of flatten it out, open up your sock and just slide it right in. Kind of pop it up so it's standing upright. Get your 2 cables that are on the top, 2 on the bottom, and they just clip right in to the collar cables that are already on the pig pen. Once it's installed, we recommend there's no reason to take the unit back out. So after each use, just fold it down, fold the bag up, and you're good to go.